The chairperson of the African Union Commission, Moussa Faki Mahamat, said that they are closely monitoring the situation in Mozambique following the general elections held on October 9, 2024. Sanamina mashoko ataona kuti aiwa vakomana the African Union vari kuti aiwa tiri kufolowa tiri kuona zvese zviri kuitika. Sanamina mashoko anomudaitagwa panapa the chairperson with the African Union would be subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa mpindula mudanyora in a statement, Mahamat expressed concern over the ongoing violence which has resulted in the loss of life. Mahamat called on Mozambican security services to exercise restraint in the use of force while maintaining law and order in the country. He said, the chairperson of the African Union Commission, Moussa Faki Mahamat, continues to closely monitor the developments in Mozambique following the general elections held on 9 October 2024. The chairperson expresses deep concern at the ongoing violence, particularly following the pronouncement of the final election results by the Constitutional Court, which resulted in scores of people losing their lives. The chairperson expresses sincere condolences to the bereaved and calls for calm. The chairperson further urges the government and all the national political and social actors to seek a peaceful solution to resolving the current crisis to avoid further loss of life and destruction of property. The chairperson reaffirms the AU's commitment to collaborate with the Mozambican government and national stakeholders as well as the Southern African Development Community towards putting a stop to the violence and the safeguarding of constitutional democracy in the Republic of Mozambique. Doma developments anobuda aiwa achiva ku the African Union pamusoro the chaos iriitika munyika yeMozambique. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pena comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.